right today to go outside nationwide offices. Is that an earthquake? George and Said have the right to go outside nationwide offices.
You see, them viewers, father got a show we say him a the dance and general boy. The man a shake up the place. So the man them they will say them a wicked man. Them can make earth shake. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. Plus Jamaican drop on him face of Bahamas and Corny stop sell can figure Theif and Massman get locked up right now. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm gonna pre this.
I am a prisoner, please don't judge me. Just listen to me.
It seems as if some of you people misunderstood me. The buildings are falling apart. It will result inevitably. It will result in the death of warders and prisoners. That's what I'm talking about. I am not threatening anyone. Somebody have stand up for the poor for over 400 years. This nation has been in slavery. And our own people, after colonial slavery, slavery is abolished officially from 1838. And after colonial slavery, our own government still have us in slavery. Somebody have stand up for the poor. These buildings are crumbling, both in Spanish Town and JP. And prisoners and warders will die. That's what I'm talking about. When you politicians go to parliament, you don't make laws to oppress, to uplift and increase living standard of poor people. You make laws to suppress poor people.
You know see him, them viewers. So you see them drop a review with the umbrella. I say at 23 years him do pan cell black and him a beg the government for free him up. Say him due for him appeal. My people, sad to say, the government now go look pan him. Cause him is not an artist boy. Him is not a celebrity. Him is not an influencer. No bag of people now shout out for him name and scream out. Say for free him up. So brother, you go sit down pan cell black probably till what? Till you are 50, probably 60. Cause you do 23 years already. Just plan for do 20 more. And that's the thing there. The system now go free up. So you could have talked till now till Christmas. Nothing now go happen me and tell you no more viewers. That's just the sad reality of Boya. Some of the things them way my talk say my people are real thing, you know. The building a deteriorate. It soon drop down upon them. It's not a good living condition and them thing there, but as I say, you make your bed, brother. You have to just lay a night. And that's how the thing set. Nobody never send you go get yourself in a problem, you know. Nobody never send you go get mixed up, you know. For you reach they say, you know. So you think bro God go look pan you? You think the system a go look pan you? No, brother. You're not famous. You're not artist. So nobody no care about your boy. You see your little one room clean? Good luck with that. So my people, walk with me, you know. See me, Corny, big man Corny we sell soup downtown. The whole of downtown Kingston supposed to know that man here. And I wonder right now, I could have what this Corny get for himself in a Corny take up himself, but him a go up a mission with the young bossed them, with the wild side killers them, from out a south side and in a town, till see the normal people. Pay 9 ball squaddy them left in a Corny head, me I tell you no. My viewers, people them boy, you know, a man no want work, you know, cause when I say Corny did a sell soup, you know, and you see it, him stop sell can, if you go do if you go pick up some can, eh? So as when I say, get a youth, in a hurt it boy, you hear that? 1-1 cocoa fill basket boy, all when it look like it nah happen, it a go happen, me I tell you no you, just believe no man, and that's how the thing there, you know. So as when I say my viewers, Corny, big man like him take up himself, boy, my getaway driver, I go up on mission for go rob bar at St. Thomas. See it work out for them there. Them play number 3, me I tell you no more viewers. Some people walk with me again. See that youth you wanna see on the screen? Him is a Jamaican and him drop out over Bahamas. And right now, nobody over Bahamas don't even know him name. Them don't even know which part of Jamaica him forward from. All them know, him run away from Jamaica come to Bahamas say him a look better life. Till see it you know, man them put a 9 ball in him head and send him home me I tell you no. My people, my Jamaicans people, when you no left from boy and go in other people country, if I look on go look it, just go look it and forward back boy. Cause enough people out there them not like we, you know. Don't make them trick on you, you know. So as what me say, see me, that Jamaican youth a drop out over Bahamas. Say if you don't know him, you can link him family them and make him family them go identify him over there and go collect him body. Some people walk with me again. Today in the day we see earthquake, shake up boy, magnitude of 4.5 all over Jamaica. Some people say it's a heavy one, some people say it's a light one. You just see the video at the start of this review, right? You see how them are going at nationwide, right? When the earthquake shake up, right? Everybody stays on a dash and a flash, right? Some people would pray this.
Right today to go outside nationwide offices. Is that an earthquake? George and Said have the right to go outside nationwide offices and protest. You have that right.
Some people, how where the man them run gone so fast? Hey, you see when trouble lick you, baby shot fit you. You hear that? So as I say my viewers, earthquake, shake up boy, 4.5 magnitude. You see me I say, some say it heavy, some say it light, but as I tell you, Jaja Father God, guide and protect us. We see say ya watch over us. And I see all of them evils and demons here. We are spread out upon the island and I do all type of carelessness, but just watch over us, man, and protect us, man. Because we are one of your best children, them. Some people walk with me again. You remember the mass man, where they dep on the media, run off him mouth and a chat this and a chat that? Well, right now him get arrested, you know. And when him get arrested, squaddy them a say him come like him a madman, you know. You hear that right now in a hospital him there. Probably him next stop at Bellevue. You never know. So see them viewers. Step out pan media, chat this a chat that, but everybody in a Clarendon a go get dirtings till see it you know. Beg boy a beg for fame life. So as when I say, the mass man where they in the viral video, squaddy them have him in custody right now. Some people wanna stay safe out there, you know. Protect on the 3 points out there. Until next time. Wanna hear that?